Hi, it's Amanda here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision. Today's episode is sponsored by
Favorite Collections.
First, the news headlines from Mangalore. Annual Car Festival of Venkatramana Temple held with pomp and gaiety. BJP Yuva Morcha takes out protest rally, seeks actions to curb terror activities. Lasiem performs ballet Yashodhara at Town Hall. And in entertainment bash, we have a song by Maxim Pereira's Boom Boom live show, a dance from Konkan Shahs held in Dubai, and a Hindi song by Prakash from Zina Pereira's maiden musical night held in Mangalore.
Favorite Collections. One of the best shopping spot with largest collections of greeting cards of various occasions and your stationery needs. We also have wonderful gifts for your beloved ones. We have your favorite music cassettes, CDs, VCDs, DVDs, CD-RAM, only at your favorite collections. Visit us at Favorite Collections, Bengaluru, Mangalore.
News in detail. The city's Car Street area wore a festive look on Wednesday, February 13th. People in large number thronged Sri Venkatramana Temple to take part in the annual Car Festival with religious fervour and gaiety. This year, tourists from America, Australia, England and Dubai made it to the Temple Square to witness this grand festival. The annual Car Festival of Sri Venkatramana Temple, also known as Kodiyal Ter, among the Mangaloreans was held with devotion and splendour on Wednesday, February 13th evening. Thousands of devotees gathered at Car Street to pull the chariot of Lord Venkatramana in the evening. The chariot was pulled across Car Street. The idol of Lord Venkatramana placed inside the golden palanquin was taken around Sanctum Sanctorum. Earlier to this, various religious rituals to mark the occasion were held at the temple. The idol of temple deity Sri Venkatramana was anointed with choices of ghee, turmeric powder and milk. And to mark the Pallaki Utsava of the deity, a colourful event, Okuli Habba or Holy Utsav, was held on Thursday, February 14th morning after Vasant Puja. Okuli Habba brought thousands of people to the temple square. By smearing colours and sharing greetings, devotees, young and old, let themselves be swayed by merriment. The young and the old, boys and girls, enjoyed every moment of Okuli Habba. The celebrations are spread over 5 days. It began with Dwajarohana ritual on the first 3 days and is followed by Rathotsava and Brahma Rathotsava on the 4th and 5th day respectively. The Okuli is actually conducted to celebrate the wedding of Lord Venkatramana with Padmavati on the 5th day of the annual event. The recent arrest of terror suspects by the Karnataka police has sent a ripple of fear among the people of the state. And the State Intelligence Bureau's shocking revelation about the plan of the suspected terrorists to carry out attacks in the future has made the people concerned about their safety. A protest rally was taken out in the Mangalore city demanding protection to Krishna Mutt and other religious centers as they face threat from terrorists. Following the State Intelligence Bureau's shocking revelations of Hospet, Hubli, Bangalore and other places becoming increasingly vulnerable to terror activities, Dakshina Kannada unit of BJP Yuva Morcha took to the streets demanding action by the state government to nab terrorists. A large number of people under the aegis of BJP Yuva Morcha took out a procession in the city on Wednesday, February 13th, demanding the government to take steps to eliminate terrorist activities in the state. The protest march started from BJP district office to the premises of Deputy Commissioner's office. Later, party leaders addressed the gathering. Karkala former MLA Sunil Kumar urged the government to ban Karnataka Forum for Dignity as it is believed to have close connections with the banned students' outfit Students Islamic Movement of India SIMI.
ದೂರದ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಸ್ಫೋಟಗಳಾದಾಗ ಪಂಜಾಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಹಿಂದೂಗಳ ನರಮೇಧಗಳಾದಾಗ ಅಸ್ಸಾಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶದ ಜನ ನುಸುಳಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಜಾಗೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವಹಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಆರಂಭದ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಭಯೋತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸೆರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಸಿಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಗೌಸ್ ಧಾರವಾಡದ ಕಲಗಟ್ಟಿಯ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ದರ್ಗಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ ದರ್ಗಾವನ್ನ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಯಾವ ಮದ್ರಸಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಭಯೋತ್ಪಾದನೆಯ ತರಬೇತಿಯ ಶಿಬಿರಗಳು ಯಾಕೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ?
Later, the protesters submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner. In the memorandum addressed to the Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, the protesters urged him to constitute an anti-terrorism squad in the coastal district to give protection to the religious centers. Theatre buffs in Mangalore had a rare chance to watch a beautiful ballet, Yashodhara. Lasiyam, a dance group from Puttur, performed the ballet at Town Hall on Tuesday, February 12th evening. The jam-packed Town Hall enjoyed the ballet to a great extent. The Lasiyam team, headed by Manjula Subramanya and consisting of 6 members, depicted the feelings and sufferings of Yashodhara when her husband Siddhartha became Buddha, the founder of Buddhism in India. Ballet is a highly technical form of dance with its own vocabulary, and Lasiyam, a dance group from Puttur, gave a rare opportunity to Mangaloreans to watch a beautiful ballet. The team stole the hearts of all the art lovers with their ballet Yashodhara, performed at Town Hall on Tuesday, February 12th evening. Dance teachers, artists and theatre persons in and around Mangalore made it to the show. The Lasiyam team, headed by Manjula Subramanya and consisting of 6 members, depicted the feelings and sufferings of Yashodhara. The ballet centered around the theme of a woman's plight in the male-dominated family. The ballet also merged the age-old concept with the woman of 21st century. Well-known artist Sam Kutti Patomkari from Kerala directed the ballet. Well, now it's time for a short break. Don't go anywhere. I will be back with lots of entertainment programs after this break. So stay tuned to Daiji Global Panvision.
favorite collections. One of the best shopping spot with largest collections of greeting cards of various occasions and your stationery needs. We also have wonderful gifts for your beloved ones. We have your favorite music cassettes, CDs, VCDs, DVDs, CD-ROM, only at your favorite collections. Visit us at Favorite Collections, Bengaluru, Mangalore.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.